Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Asim. Hope you're having a very nice day. Do you know that how in Pakistan they roast chickpeas, peanuts and corn in salt? Let's go and watch. So this is the cart where they are going to roast these chickpeas, peanuts and corn, and under that pan there is heat, and I think it's wood fire. What he's going to do is he will put these corn or chickpeas inside this pan which has some salt in it, and he will roast in it. So this is the place where you put the wood to burn and then to heat this pan. Just look at the salt. And due to continuous heat, it's kind of gray in color, little bit black and some gray. So right now he's roasting chickpeas in the salt. It's a very simple process. He already boiled those chickpeas beforehand so that it's easier to roast them. This is the guy who is going to roast peanuts and other stuff for us. What's your name? Amjad. So his name is Amjad. So I have ordered this corn, chickpeas and some peanuts, and now he's roasting it in salt. So that's what I've got. It's warm and it smells so good right now. So that's what we're going to try. It actually tastes the same what they are, but the main difference is it's very much crunchy. So this is also corn, but it's covered with caramel, and I'm going to order that as well, but there is no need to heat them in this salt. They're pretty delicious. It has some caramel taste, sweet, crunchy. Well, I like them most. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you like the videos, do share it on your social media with your friends. Until my next video, it's Allah Hafiz from my side and from my friend's side as well. Take care and goodbye.